can use your imagination. You better use your imagination.
It's your girl Dolly, and yes, I am back today to do another video. So today's video is completely special. This is a surprise. I've been holding this surprise in for months. I have barely told anyone. I've been excited, scared, nervous, and every emotion that you guys think I could feel leading up to this moment. So I've been working on a project with a brand for the last couple of months. And I know, I kind of did a sneak peek of it on Instagram last week. I'll put the clip on one of these sides so you guys can see. And I never told anybody what it was just yet. So this is my first time revealing it to my subscribers, my followers. So with that being said, I don't want to ramble too much. So I just really want to show you guys what I have going on. And we're just going to jump into it. So this is my eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, it still feels crazy for me to say that this is mine. This is my eyeshadow palette. Like mine. Like I can't believe it. So this is the Paris Lynn Collection X Dolly Pretty in Pink palette. Yes, so as y'all know, pink is my favorite color, so of course if I came out with anything, it had to be a full representation of me. So I don't even know if you guys can see, but this palette, when you receive your palette, if you decide to make an order, which I'll get into the specs of all of that, this palette will say the Paris Lynn Collection X Dolly Pretty in Pink palette. So like I said, this is my sample. I've been playing this for months with Paris Lynn. Thank Paris Lynn for giving me the opportunity to collaborate with her. You know, she wants to collaborate with an influencer, and I really appreciate her for even giving little old me the chance. She don't even know how appreciative I am with her. I've been wanting to make my own products, start my own cosmetics line, but this, you know, it's been hard, and especially being a college student. So thank you for the opportunity. I'm holding this like this is my child, because it literally is. But so this is what the palette looks like, and I'll insert video because I don't think you guys will see, but it has its own little shimmer type of thing going on, and I don't think you guys will see it, so I will post a video so you guys can see. So this is like, it slides out of here, and that's what it looks like. And of course, I'm not for sure if it'll say the Paris Lynn and Dolly Pretty in Pink palette here, or actually on this, but it might say it on both. I'm unsure at the moment, but like I said, this is a sample palette that I got, and so this is what I'm doing. So let's open this baby up. It comes with, and it might be a little glare, it comes with a mirror, and it comes with 12 shades. And the shades aren't named, by the way. This is what the shades look like up close. So up top we have 4 shimmer shades, and the rest are matte shades. So this is like a white. This is like a white shimmer. This one is like a champagne pink. This one is like a light pink, and this one is like a rose gold. And I actually used this palette today, and we'll get into that at the end of the video. So this, I want to say, is like a nude or like a nudie peach. This one is like a pink peach, and this one is like a peach, and this one is kind of like a light coral. This is a, like, these are like renditions of hot pinks. Y'all know I had to add some hot pinks in here. Hot pink is like one of my favorite shades of pink, and this is like a purple pink. So just real quick, the inspiration behind my palette is because, as I said, pink is my favorite color. There's not many pink base palettes on the market, and I want to do something for my girly girls who love the color pink and just want a palette that's them and express themselves. Like, I'm extremely excited. It's been hell trying to hold it in from you guys, because at any moment, like, I wanted to freaking just give all the details, release the details or whatever, but I couldn't. It was a top secret, ancient Chinese secret type of project. So now it is here, and now you guys know. So let me just run the deets on it. So the palette will retail for $27. You will be able to purchase it at this website here. I will put it here, and I will also put it in the description box. There's, like I said, there's 12 colors. So there's 4 shimmer shades and 12 matte shades. Once again, 4 shimmer shades and 12 matte shades. So the palette will only come out for pre-order starting on Monday, which this video is going up Friday. So this palette, it will be going out for pre-order on September 23rd. There will be 35 palettes available for pre-order. So, honey, when it launches, you better go out and get it and pre-order it immediately. The pre-order will only be open for 10 days. So you have 10 days to get this palette. I'm hoping that it's gone the first day or within the first 2 days. That's what I'm praying and hoping. So yeah, I'm so excited. I still can't believe this is actually like a dream come true. Once again, I want to say thank you to Paris Lynn. Thank you, God, because this would not be possible without you. I want to say thank you so much to my followers and my subscribers. And also, I want to take a little moment out to say thank you to my haters, because also without y'all, this wouldn't be possible. Like, you know, but we're not even going to get into that, because I'm not even going to give y'all all of that. But thank you guys so much. I love you all. Here's the surprise. I decided to create 4 different looks with my palette so you guys can see. This is one of them. Like I said, I used this rose gold shade on my eyes, but I also went in with a liquid glitter. This is for my extra girls, for my popping girls. And there's so many looks that you can create with this. Like, I'm just going to show you guys 4 looks that I created with this, but there's many more. And I love this one because it's like a pretty kind of fall type of look. This is the first one. So if you want to stay tuned and see all the slays that you can create with this palette, honey, stay tuned after this. I love you guys so much, and make sure you cop my palette. It is going on sale on Monday, and that's just that. Period. Love you. So we're going to jump right into the tutorials. So I'm going to lay down that hot pink, one of those hot pink shades. It's like the lighter one. I'm going to put that in my crease first, and that's going to be the first shade that I lay down. And then I'm going to go in with the, I want to call it like a pink with purplish undertones. That last color that's in the palette, and I'm going to also put that in my crease. Today's look was just like a fall kind of look, like somewhat vampy, but not really. So as you guys can see, I'm prepping my brush for some shimmer shades per usual. And I'm taking this rose gold shade, which is the 4th shimmer shade, and I'm placing that all over my lid. As you guys can see, this palette is no joke. It's really pigmented. Even the shimmers are super pigmented, and that's really hard to find in a palette. But as y'all know, I'm an extra ass bitch. So of course, I'm going to add some liquid glitter on top of it from Stila. I didn't have to. I could really just have left the eye like this, but I just love extra glitter and extra glam, so that's what I ended up doing. And honestly, I just want to say, and I'm not saying this, you guys, because this is my palette. I promise you. But as you guys can see, as I placed that liquid glitter down, all it did was enhance what color was already on my lid. So under my eye, I'm going to be placing that same pink that I started in my crease with as a transition. And I'm also going to smoke it out a little bit on the ends with that purple shade. I'm going to be adding that champagne pink shade in the crease, not the crease, the inner tear duct of my eyes as well. So now we're jumping into the second look. These are my favorite kind of looks to do. They're the dramatic winged eyeshadow cut crease type of looks. It depends. So I'm going to be placing that super hot pink shade um in my crease. So in the beginning I really wing my eyeshadow out, but I go in and I shorten it. As you guys will see, somewhat I play around with like the micellar water and clean it up. But yeah, I really wing this eyeshadow out. Like I want it to be super dramatic. Once again, I'm coating my brush with some facial mist and I'm dipping it into that light pink shimmery shade and I'm placing that all over my lid on the crease that I cut. So if y'all can't tell already by now, I freaking love glitter. So of course, I'm going to place some glitter just to make that crease even stand out even more all over my lid. This is like a custom glitter that I mixed up. I actually am like recreating my look from BeautyCon. If you guys notice, maybe not, but yeah. I just love this hot pink and light pink combo. I just think it's a classic when it comes to pink looks, and it's just always a way you can put a twist on there. So I absolutely love this glitter, and it has like bits of chunky glitter in there, and it's just like an awesome mix. So I'm placing that all over my lid. But like I said, you don't have to necessarily do this because as you guys can see, the shimmers are pigmented enough. So yeah. So now, as usual, I'm going underneath my eyes and just finishing up. And I'll be putting that first hot pink shade underneath my eye that's in my palette. And then I'll be placing that white shimmer shade that's in the top row in my inner corner. This last look is for the girls who not into all the glitter, the glitz, and the glam. This is going to be an all matte look. So I'm taking that entire middle row in my palette and basically creating a look. So I'm taking that third shade that's in the middle row and I'm placing that all in my crease. And then I'm going to go in with that last shade and then put that in the second part of my crease and then basically blow it out a little bit. So I'm going to take that nudish color in my palette. It's good to have a palette. It's full of pinks, but of course I had to put like somewhat of the neutrals in there, and I'm tapping that all over the first part of my lid. Now honestly, as I'm putting it down, you guys really can't tell because it basically matches the shade that I cut my crease with, which is like an ivory color, but it's like a nudish pink. It's not really like a ivory. And then I'm going to take that baby pink shade and put that on the other part of my crease. And I just love how this look turned out. I really think it's a good, like, if you're looking for like an everyday look with this palette, I just feel like this is the perfect one to do. And it was really fun. And I actually was able to dress it up more once I decided what I was going to wear for the day. So I'll be taking those same shades I put in my crease and basically putting them on my waterline. And like I said, this is like a more neutral and like everyday type of look. And I just love how this turned out all together.
You can use your imagination. You better use your imagination. You can use your imagination. You better use your imagination.